तो उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि कोई भी महिला शशि थरूर को महिला विरोधी नहीं मानेंगे। तो मैंने कहा हाँ, आपको महिला विरोधी कोई नहीं कहेंगे, ये तो मैं मानता हूँ, लेकिन आपका पार्टी महिला विरोधी है। तो वो भी माना मेरा बात, मैंने भी उनका बात माना है।
Union Minister Kiran Rijiju has intensified his attack on the Congress, claiming that party MP Shashi Tharoor, in a way, admitted that the Congress is anti-women during a private exchange after the recent Parliament session on the Women's Reservation Bill. What Tharoor actually said?
उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि कोई भी महिला शशि थरूर को महिला विरोधी नहीं मानेंगे। तो मैंने कहा हाँ, आपको महिला विरोधी कोई नहीं कहेंगे, ये तो मैं मानता हूँ, लेकिन आपका पार्टी महिला विरोधी है। तो वो भी माना मेरा बात, मैंने भी उनका बात माना है।
Speaking in an interview, Rijiju said Tharoor told him that while the Congress party may be anti-women, no one would consider Tharoor himself anti-women. Rijiju argued that this remark amounted to an implicit acknowledgement of the party's stance. He added that while Tharoor may not personally hold such views, the party's position reflects otherwise. The BJP has been targeting the Congress and other opposition parties for opposing the Women's Reservation Bill and related constitutional amendments. The proposed legislation sought to reserve 33% of seats for women in the Lok Sabha and state assemblies, alongside increasing the total number of seats to facilitate implementation ahead of the 2029 general elections. However, the bill failed to pass after it did not secure the required two-thirds majority in the Lok Sabha. Opposition parties argued that reservation should be implemented without increasing seats and raised concerns that the delimitation exercise linked to the bill could alter electoral representation, particularly affecting southern states. Rijiju dismissed these concerns, stating that the provision linking reservation with delimitation was already part of the 2023 law and questioned why it was not opposed earlier. He maintained that the core issue was ensuring political representation for women, warning that parties opposing the bill would face backlash from women voters.
ये विषय महिलाओं को आरक्षण देना था 33% लोकसभा में और असेंबलीज में। इसको राजनीतिक दृष्टि से आप मत सोचे, लेकिन मोदी जी ने कहा ना, क्रेडिट लेना भी है तो आप ले लीजिए। हाँ, लेकिन विरोध करने से तो महिलाओं को गुस्सा तो झेलना पड़ेगा।
Expanding his criticism, Rijiju also targeted opposition leaders across states. He expressed confidence that the BJP would gain ground in West Bengal, asserting that only the party could reverse the state's economic decline. He further claimed that leaders who attack Prime Minister Narendra Modi face political setbacks. The minister also rejected allegations of coercion against leaders joining the BJP, accusing Arvind Kejriwal of running the Aam Aadmi Party as a private outfit. Looking ahead, Rijiju said the BJP is confident of securing a full majority in the 2026 Assam Assembly elections.